Hey guys, Geordie from Vhedia here, just showing you how you can add the latest map pack to your ExplorOz. So we're going to go to the app. You might have already dragged this to your home screen, but alright, so if you've got the app here, go down to your user account and you'll see a license. So we don't have the current 2023 version. If you go into manage account, and go down to this one. We just want to add this to cart. Put in your postcode. And then fill out your details. Once you've filled out your details, go through and select your payment. They've got PayPal, which is always safe, or you can do direct deposit or credit card. So you want to accept the payment type and then fill out your details here. Cool, and once you've gone forward, you should come up saying that your order has been complete. And once that's done, go back to your ExplorOz, go to your user account, and you'll see now that we've got the latest, and that's everything updated. Cool, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. You can always send us your recommendations on what you'd like to see as well. Or send us an email at hey@vhedia.com.au. My name's Geordie, hope you enjoyed this video.